Hi, it's Curious Nisha. Please subscribe if you have liked this video. By the way, if you have Twitter account or X account, please do follow me on that platform with this Curious Meow Nicks. Alright, we have another update for Shenyu, and it is still connected with The Truth, Season 3. For tonight, Episode 8 was aired. With this caption stating, "Continue to explore the truth of Good Taeyi disappearance. There are many doubts in the ancient house. Is the secret of resurrection true or false? What makes everyone scream and scream again? And let's find out if Shenyu is one of them." Before I show you the specific clip, so you are seeing now first this official photos for this said episode, and still Shenyu wearing the said blue-red costume, and same with others, same clothes from the yesterday episode. And of course they are trying to solve the mystery problem. Why this person has disappeared? Is he in the painting? So yep, and that is Shenyu with Jinjing. Anyway, I have also included this short clip of Shenyu. I think this is their photo shoot, and also included some video clip for the said shoot. So they have shared it on Weibo account, and yep, how pretty Shenyu is here. And also these beautiful pictures have been uploaded on Weibo and other platforms such as Twitter or X account. And yeah, I'm also including this beautiful captivating photos of her in this video, and can you comment below which one are your favorite? And yep, well, I really like Shenyu's hairstyle, makeup in this episode, and hopefully Shenyu will be given this female drama lead in a historical costume drama soon, not just modern romance drama. Hopefully she will have this opportunity and to be partnered with popular actor aside from Dylan Wang also. Of course, we are still waiting for their decent comeback. Let's wait and see for more endeavors, successful endeavors of these two. And yes, still showing you these beautiful pictures, and you can search this on Twitter also if you have one. And actually I have found out that they have this filming for today, however it was cancelled, it was suspended. So I think I'm not sure what is the reason, but it was shared that for today's filming her shoot was suspended. Anyway, let's move on to this actual video clip that where Shenyu looks so cute, even she was already frightened. And yes, she almost hugged Yu Yuning thinking he was Jinjing. And yep, and this is actual video, as you see, actually a compilation. Look at how Shenyu really frightened. You know, she has this bubbly personality, but just a, you know, like a commoner girl. She also scared of something like this, thrilling. And since this variety show focuses on the thrilling and mystery solved, so yep,